Ukraine and Russia exchange missile and drone strikes, claiming 11 lives on both sides. Ukraine and Russia exchanged missiles and drones today, with attacks killing at least 11 people on both sides. Ukraine launched hundreds of drones across Russia in one of Kyiv's largest aerial attacks of the war, killing 6 people. 5 people were killed in Russia's southwestern Rostov region after drone attacks targeted 3 towns. The strikes, involving more than 150 drones, also damaged several homes and a railway station and sparked a forest fire. An 83-year-old man was killed after a Ukrainian drone struck a private home in the Moscow region. Moscow's governor also confirmed that a Ukrainian attack triggered a fire at the Wildberries warehouse in Podolsk. Russia's defense ministry said it had destroyed 822 Ukrainian drones overnight. Meanwhile, Russian strikes killed 5 people in Ukraine. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said a missile attack on Kryvyi Rih killed 2 people and injured 14 others. Further strikes killed 1 person in Sumy and 2 in Zaporizhia. Russia's defense ministry said it had targeted metallurgical plant in Kryvyi Rih and several military industrial facilities in Kiev. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you everyone. Bye.